So in this video, we are going to talk about how really multiprocess works in Python. So what happens is multiprocess uh, enables us to work parallel on CPU, different CPU cores at the same time. So for example, I have already written the code. I will just show how really it works. I will run the code on actually terminal. I'll open the activity monitor to actually monitor what is really happening. And so what happens is I'm going to run the code or the Python script on terminal. The command to run the Python script in Mac OS is Python, the name of the file, then like Python convert.py. So actually now it is registering normally, taking one task at a time. So as we can see in the monitor, we have a single core running at 99.61%, and there's only 11% of the CPU has been utilized by us, the user, and the rest 87.24 is idle. Now actually what happens is when we use the multiprocess, it enables us to actually use all the cores of the CPU. It varies among different CPUs. So what actually I have coded it already. So I'm just going to show how really it affects. So here's the code. So I'm going to run 3.py now. So we'll write the same syntax, Python 3.py. Just change the name. So actually it will register all the uh, all the all the processes at once, and then wait for them to complete, and will give the output. So I'm going to hit enter now. So actually you can see how fast was it registered all the cores, and then it is processing now. Actually you can see the terminal also showed 11 processes all having a computation power. So what actually happened is that it reduced our time to actually compute all the things to 5 seconds, approximately 5 seconds, whereas in the normal it took us 26.31 seconds, approximately 26 seconds. So it really saved us time in the power of like 5 times, like 5 to 4 times. Yes, 5 to 4 times. It really decreased the time of our compiling, or no, compiling the results out. So this is how really the multi-process works. So if it was, the computation was very fast, so I think I should increase 1 zeros in order to show you how really the activity monitor shows the bump and all this stuff. So it has registered 11 cores now, all working at 100. Why isn't showing CPU? So actually it has registered. There is a CPU load up here. So here we can see there's a CPU bump, and it is calculating, and there's a CPU load. All the CPU cores are used by the user. 95.13% is used by the user, and idle is 0.84. So this is how we are decreasing our time by using the method of parallelism in the CPU. Uh, this is all about the multiprocess and how it really works on the basics roots. So thank you for watching.